Hello dear students, now I will continue the questions from exercise 10.2, no sorry 10.3. Here question 7 we have already completed in the previous class. Now question 8, find the equation of a line perpendicular to a line and having x-intercept 3. Okay, so here question 8. Just we have to find an equation of a straight line which is perpendicular to a line. And we know if two lines are perpendicular, then their multiplication of their slope is equals to -1. So by finding slope of the given line, we can find the slope of our required line. And another condition is what? Having x-intercept as 3. Okay, x-intercept as 3. So slope-intercept form. We can use y equals to mx plus c formula. Slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form. Okay, this is our formula for question 8. So given line is what? X minus 7y plus 5 equals to 0. X minus 7y plus 5 equals to 0. X minus 7y plus 5 equals to, this is given line. Now our required line is perpendicular to this line. The required means the line we have to find. Required line is perpendicular to 1. Perpendicular to 1. Here, slope of 1 m1 is slope of 1 is m1 here if slope of 1 is m1, then from 1 7y equals to x plus 5 implies y equals to 1 by 7 x plus 5 by 7 implies m1 equals to 1 by 7. Slope intercept of y equal to mx plus c. Since the required line perpendicular to 1, therefore m1 into m is equals to -1 implies m slope of required line m equals to -1 by m1 and -1 by 1 by 7 equals to -7. Clear? So slope of required line is -7. Okay. Now here also, what is given? X-intercept. Sorry, X-intercept is given. Then slope M, X-intercept is D. So formula is X minus D. X minus D. This is X-intercept. So here slope is -7. D is given as 3. Also given that X-intercept D is equals to 3. So thus the equation of required line is what? This is formula. So y equals to m. M means m x minus d. That is y equals to -7. This -7 and x minus d means 3. So this is our required equation. So you can write it 7 minus 7x, so 7x plus y minus plus -21 equals to 0. So we can write like this: 7x plus y equals to -21 equals to 0. This is our solution. 8. Okay, now question 9. Angle between two lines. Just we have to find the angle between two lines. How can you find the angle between two lines? Just if we know the slope of the lines M1, M2, then we can find the acute angle between two lines as tan theta. If angle is theta, then tan theta equals to M1 minus M2, modulus of M1 minus M2 upon 1 minus M1 M2. M1 and M2 are the slope of the lines. So this question is very simple. Just use the formula and you can find solution. Okay. Here question 9. What is given? Line. Root 3x plus y equals to 1. Angle between lines. If theta is angle between lines, root 3x plus y equals to 1 and x plus root 3y equals to 1. Equation 1, equation 2. Clear? Then tan theta equals to modulus of m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. This is our formula. Clear? Where m1 slope of 1 is equals to slope of 1. How can we find the slope of 1? Y equals to minus root 3x plus 1. So y equal to mx plus c minus root 3 m1 and m2 equals to slope of 2 is equals to what? m2 equals to here. We can see that y equals to minus 1 by root 3. Just divide by root 3 and transfer x to right hand side. So minus 1 by root 3. So minus 1 by root 3. This. Okay. So we get tan theta is equals to modulus of m1 minus m2 means m1 minus root 3 minus 1 by root 3 upon 1 plus minus root 3 into minus 1 by root 3. Okay, so this is our formula. Just use formula only, nothing more. Clear? Just use formula. What we will get from here? Minus minus plus, minus minus plus. So minus 3 plus 1 upon root 3 upon here minus minus plus root 3 cancel 2. So we can see that minus 2 upon 2 cancel. So minus 1 by root 3 equals to 1 by root 3. Minus 1 by root 3 equals to 1 by root 3. Taking modulus sign. So we get what? Tan theta equals to 1 by root 3 implies theta equals to 30 degree. This is the angle between 30 degree. Okay, acute angle. Also, theta may be 180 degree minus 30 degree equals to 150 degree. Okay, obtuse angle, and because angle between two lines is this is acute and this is obtuse, 180 minus theta. That's all. Okay, so this is question 9. Now question 10. The question 10. Okay, we have to find. Just logically use formula and try to find the equation of line and other thing asked in questions. Okay, so here in question 10, what? The line through the point, 2 points h3 and 4,1, okay, and intersects the line 7x minus 9y minus 19 at right angle. Find the value of h. Here h, the value of h we will find. Here 2 points are given. By joining these 2 points, we can get a straight line, and this straight line will be perpendicular to the given straight line. That is multiplication of slope. Their slope is equal to minus 1 we can take, and we can get the value of h. So question 10. Okay, what is the line? The equation of line through H3 4 1, H3 and 4 1. It is given that line through this. So we can find the equation of line. Y minus y1 equals to x2 minus x1 upon y2 minus y1 x minus x1. This is 2 point form. 2 point form. 2 point form. Line 2 point form formula. After finding the equation of line, okay, but not required for find line, equation of line through this, not required. The slope of the line through, still we can write because we require only slope. Okay, so the slope of line through this is given by m1 equals to what slope is this? This portion is the slope. joining to point x1 y and x2 y2. So x2 minus y2 minus y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. This is slope. This is slope. What? This is slope. So slope. This is x1. This is y1. This is x2. This is y2. So y2. So y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 equals to y2 means 4. No, not 1. Sorry. y2. 1 minus 3 upon 1 minus 3 upon 4 minus h. 4 minus h. So this is slope. So m1 minus 2y 4 minus h. This is slope line through this. Here and slope of line L1. It is given that line L1 is perpendicular to the line to the given line. Perpendicular to the given line. What is given line? 7x minus 9y minus 19. 7x minus 9y minus 19 equals to 0. And its slope is m2 equals to, just we can find it from here, 9y transfer to right hand side, then y equals to mx plus c. You can write in this form. So dividing by 9, so 7 by 9. 7 by 9. Clear? Now, this is slope of given line. This is the slope of line through this. These two are perpendicular. Then m1 dot m2 equals to minus 1. So m1 minus 2 by 4 minus h into 7 by 9 equals to minus 1. Just solve it and you can get the value of h. Okay, so value of h equals to minus 2 by 4 minus h into 7 by 9 equals to minus 1. Just solve it, you can get the value of h. Okay, just multiply 9 to this and take here and left hand side and calculate. H can be found by 22 by 9 as 22 by 9. Clear? So this is the method for finding value of h. Perpendicular, so this is the product of slope is equals to minus 1. Okay, now question 11. Prove that the line through the point x1 yn and parallel to the line this is this. So parallel line, just remember that whenever we have to find a line which is parallel to another line, then we can take just constant term is different and other part is same. So we can suppose, or also point slope form. Slope point form can be used. Point slope form can be used. Passing through a point and having slope. Because line is parallel to the given line, so you can find the slope of the given line, and that can be used for the record line. So here given line is this. Suppose this is line given line. Its slope is m, and parallel line also slope will be m. Record line. So given line is what? S plus v plus c equals to 0. S plus v plus c equals to 0. This is given line, and its slope can be used for the required line because required line is parallel to the given line, and record line is passing through the point x1, y1. So point slope form can be used. So point slope form. Point slope form. Point slope form. Y minus y1 equals to m x minus x1. Clear? So question 11. Given line is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So we can write y equals to minus a by b x minus c by b. Therefore slope of this line is m1 equals to minus a by b. The required line L is parallel to 1. So slope of L is given by m equals to minus 1 upon m1 minus 1 upon minus a by b is m equals to b by a. M equals to b by a. Okay, so this is our slope of our required line, and thus, and required line is also passing through the x1 y1. Thus, the equation of line, required line which passes through x1 y1 is given by y minus y1 equals to slope this b by a into x minus x1. Okay, so it can be written as just ay sorry, this is not like this, because parallel line, this line is parallel, so m is equals to m1 equals to minus a by b, parallel line, okay, parallel line, so required parallel line, here we will use minus a by b, parallel line, okay. So by minus b y1, just multiply here, minus a x plus a x1. Now it can be adjusted to the required form. Okay, this is equals to, just take common a and transfer to left hand side. So a common x minus 1, a common x minus x minus 1 plus b common y minus 1 equals to 0. This is our required result. Okay, so this is our required result, x minus 1 and y minus 1 ab equals to 0. Okay. Now question 12. Question 12 is lengthy in calculation, but is very simple. Here two line passing through the point 2, 3. Okay. two lines passing through the point 2, 3 intersect each other at an angle of 60 degree. That means angle between the two lines is 60 degree. That is tan 60 equal to m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. We can use this. Okay. But we require the slope of line here. Also, if slope of one line is 2, find the equation of other line. Okay? Slope of one line is 2, then find the equation of other line. So we can find, because two line, this is L1, this is L2. They are passing through point 2, 3. So 2, 3 will be here because passing through same point. So 2, 3. And angle between them is 60 degree. And slope of one line, first line is 2. Slope of one line is 2. Suppose first slope of one line is 2 and find the other line. Here given two lines, L1 and L2. Lines are not given. L1 and L2. Both are passing through the point 2, 3. And slope of one line is 2. So point slope form, it can be find equation. Just we have to find the equation of this line. Its slope we don't know. So we have to find the slope of this line first. Passing through this point also. So we can get the equation. So here if slope of line L2 is m, then tan theta equals to m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. We can use this formula. Clear? Theta is 60 degree. So tan 60 equals to minus m1 minus m2. m1 is given 2. So 2 minus m2. So we have to find the equation of other line. For finding equation of this line, we require passing point 2, 3, slope required. Slope m2 we have to find. So 2 minus m2 upon 1 plus 2 m2. Clear? Now tan 60 equals to root 3. 2 minus m2 upon 1 plus 2 m2. So modulus sign, so we can write plus minus root 3 equals to 2 minus m2 upon 1 plus 2 m2 implies, or root 3 equals to 2 minus m2 upon 1 plus 2 m2. Clear? Or minus root 3 equals to 2 minus m2 upon 1 plus 2 m2. This or this, just solve this two. Then we can get the value of m2 from here as from here. So other equations may be two equations, either this or this. So from here, root 3 plus 2 root 3 m2 equals to 2 minus m2. So just solve it. m2 is transferred to here. So 2 root 3 plus 1 m2 equals to 2 minus root 3. root 3 transfer to here. Now m2 equals to 2 minus root 3 upon 1 plus 2 root 3. m2 equals to 2 minus root 3 equals 2 minus root 3 upon 1 plus 2 root 3. m2 equals to, or similarly, or m2 equals to, from here we can also get the value. What value? Minus 2 root 3 minus that 2 minus root 3, so 2 plus root 3 minus of 2 plus root 3 upon 2 root 3 minus 1. So this, just solve it, we can get m2 equals to this or this, minus 2 plus root 3 upon 2 root 3 minus 1. Now we can find the equation of line L2. So the equation of line L2, so the equation of L2 is y minus 3 line passing through this point, y minus y1 equals to slope if this, for this 2 minus root 3 upon 1 plus 2 root 3 x minus 2, for m2 equals to this first row, 2 minus root 3 upon 1 plus 2 root 3. Okay, just you can simplify it. Okay. You can simplify it just like this. Just simply multiply and x plus b plus c equals to c. In the format you can write just like root 3 minus 2 x, root 3 minus 2 x plus 2 root 3 plus 1 y equals to minus 1 plus 8 root 3. You can simplify it, okay, like this. And for m2 equals to this, minus 2 plus root 3 upon 2 root 3 minus 1. The equation of straight line will be what? Just use slope like this. Okay. This y minus also 3, y minus 3 passing through that point, slope is different. This slope is minus 2 minus root 3 upon, okay, second value is minus 2 minus root 3 upon 2 root 3 minus 1 into x minus 2. Just you can simplify it also. 2 plus root 3x, 2 plus root 3x, just simplify it, multiply and adjust x plus b equals to c. So 2 plus root 3, 2 plus root 3 x plus 2 root 3 minus 1 y equals to 1 plus 8 root 3. So this is and this is the equation, other equation of L2 may be either this or this. So this is our solution of question 12. Okay. Now question 13. Find the equation of the line. Find the equation of the line, equation of the right bisector. Right bisector means perpendicular. bisector of the line segment joining these 2 points. So we have to find the equation of line which bisects the joining of 2 points. This is a line segment. Bisect means that point will be midpoint of the line segment. That is, bisector will pass through the midpoint. So passing point we can get. And also bisector, right bisector, that is, bisector is perpendicular to the segment. So if we know the slope of the segment, then we can find the slope of the bisector. So we can find the equation. So here 13, right bisector. Suppose this is right bisector. This is point, this is point. 2 points are given. Okay, 2 points are given. What are the points? 3, 4 and minus 1, 2. 3, 4 and minus 1, 2. Minus 1, 2. Minus 1, 2 and 3, 4. These are the 2 points are given. Suppose points A and D. Given. And this is right bisector. This is right bisector. Right bisector means perpendicular. So this is midpoint. O is midpoint of AB. And this is right bisector. We have to find the equation of right bisector. So its equation can be found by using point slope form. Point is midpoint of AB. So we can find the midpoint of AB. Midpoint of AB is what? 3 minus 1 plus 3 by 2, minus 1 plus 3 by 2 and 2 plus 4 by 2, 2 plus 4 by 2, that is 2 by 2, 1, 3, 1, that is 1. Is 1, 3. Clear? So bisector passing through O and having slope which is perpendicular to the AB. So slope here, slope of AB is equals to what? X2 minus x1 upon y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 upon 3 minus 1 equals to 2 by 4 equals to 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Since right bisector is perpendicular to AB, therefore slope of right bisector is minus 1 upon slope of AB, implies m equals to minus 1 upon 1 by 2 equals to minus 2. So slope of right bisector is minus 2. Thus, the equation of right bisector is given by y minus y1 3 equals to slope minus 2, x minus x1 1, this. So y minus 3 equals to minus 2x plus 2. So here 2x plus y equals to 5. 2x plus y equals to 5. Clear? So this is our equation of right bisector. Okay? So this is question 13. Now question 14. What is 14? Find the coordinates of foot of perpendicular. Very, very important questions. The foot of the perpendicular from the point. This is a line and this is a point. And draw perpendicular. Foot of the perpendicular means coordinate of a point. Coordinate of the foot on the line. So here equation of line is given and point is given, from where we have to draw the perpendicular. So take foot of the perpendicular B, coordinate of the foot of the perpendicular B, A and B, small a and B. Then we have to find the value of this small a and B by using the condition. Okay, so here find the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular from the point minus 1, 3 to the line 3x minus y, 4y minus 16 equals to 0. So here question 14. Here given line is this 3x minus 4y minus 16, 3x minus 4y minus 16 is equals to 0. This is given line. And point is minus 1, 3. Suppose this is point. Minus 1, 3. From this point, draw the perpendicular to this line. This is F. Suppose this foot of the perpendicular. This is perpendicular to the line. This point is foot of the perpendicular. Clear? Now we have to find, let the coordinate of this foot is AB. And we have to find the value of A and B. Okay? Now, this is perpendicular to this line. So slope of this line into slope of this line is equals to minus 1. We can use this condition. Clear? And also AB lie on this line, that is this line. So AB will satisfy this equation. So we will get two linear equations in A and B, then we can solve that equation. So here line is suppose L. Here PF perpendicular to line L. Clear? Perpendicular to line L. Okay? Therefore, slope of PF into slope of L is equals to minus 1. Clear? Now, slope of PF joining to point y2 minus y upon x2 minus x1. So b minus 3 upon a minus minus 1. This slope of this. Slope of L, this line. Here we can write y equals to 3 by 4 x minus 16 by 4. Okay, 4 I transfer to right hand side and divide by 4, y equals to 3 by 4 x minus 16 by 4 implies slope of L is equals to slope of line L is equals to, okay, what, 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 equals to minus 1. So from here we get b minus 3 upon a plus 1 equals to 4 by 3. Just 4 go together and 3 like this. Now 3 by b minus 9. 3b minus 9 equals to minus 4a minus 4 implies 4a plus 3b. 4a plus 3b is equals to 4a plus 3b is equals to what? 9 minus 4, 5. This is equation 1. So we get a equation, linear equation A and B, in A and B. As point F, that is AB, lie on the line L, therefore it will satisfy equation 1. We get what? AB, put AB here. So 3a minus 4b equals to 60. This is equation 2. Now we have two linear equations in A and B, and we can solve these two equations. Okay. So these are the equation. 4a plus 3b equals to 5. 4a plus 3b equals to 5. And 3a minus 4b. 3a minus 4b equals to 16. Okay. Now solve 1 and 2 for A and B. We can get as A equals 68 upon 25 and B equals, just solve it, this two, by multiplying and by elimination method, by cross multiplication, by any method, just you have to solve. Okay. For just we can get the value of A. That is the put of the perpendicular is 68 by 25, 68 by 25 and minus 49 by 25. Put. Okay. 68 by 25 and minus 49 by 25. Clear? Now question 15. The perpendiculars from the origin to the line y equal to mx plus c meets it at the base. Find the value of m and c. So it is also simple questions because perpendicular from origin meets the line at minus 1, 2. Question 15. Question 15. Question 15 is given as, this is origin, draw perpendicular to the line y equals to mx plus c. Line is given as like this, y equal to mx plus c. And from origin, this is origin. Origin. Draw perpendicular to the line this. Clear? And this perpendicular meets this line at the point what? Minus 1, 2. Minus 1, 2. Meet this point at this point, and it, that is, perpendicular meet the line at point minus 1, 2. This. And we have to find the value of m and c. Minus 1, 2 satisfy this equation. First of all, perpendicular from origin is this. So we can find the slope of the line this, because this line is perpendicular to this line. So its slope can be found 0, 0, 2. Its slope origin 0, 0, 0, 0 and minus 1, 2. So slope of OP we can find. Slope of OP is, slope of OP equals to what? Y2 minus Y1 upon x2 minus x1. 2 minus 0 upon minus 1 minus 0. So this is equals to what? Minus 2. Slope of OP. Clear? Now, since OP is perpendicular to line L, this is line L, suppose, then slope of OP into slope of L is equals to minus 1, implies slope of OP equals to minus 2, and slope of L is equals to m equals to minus 1. So implies m equals to 1 by 2. M equals to 1 by 2. So the value of m is 1 by 2. And now value of c. Since minus 1, 2 lie on the line L, so it will satisfy the equation of L, equation of L, that is y equals to mx plus c, implies this will satisfy this, that is y means 2 equals to m means 1 by 2, x means minus 1 plus c. So c can be found from here. 4 equals to minus c, c equals to minus 4. So c minus 4 and m half. Okay, c minus 4, m half. Sorry, here 2 this 2c 4 no this is equals to 2 plus half equals to c. So c equals to 5 by 2, 5 by 2, 5 by 2. C equals to 5 by 2. M equals to half, C equals to 5 by 2. Half and 5 by 2. Clear? So this is the question 15. Now question 16. So question 16. It can be solved. Question 16. Just here I will give its hint and short. I will write in short. Just you have to complete it in your copy. Okay. So 16, 17, 18. These 3 questions. Just I will give hint only, and you have to solve these 3 questions. Okay. So here question. Remember hint. Here PQ are the length of perpendicular from the origin to the line. PQ are the length of the perpendicular from origin to the lines. Just 60. What is given? There are 2 lines. Suppose one line is what? One line is x cos theta minus y sin theta. X cos theta minus y sin theta. X cos theta minus y sin theta equals to k. This is a line 1. And cos 2 theta. Sorry. K cos 2 theta. Equation 1. And another line is x sec theta plus y cosec theta. X sec theta plus y cosec theta. Y cosec theta equals to k. This is 2 straight lines. Now, from origin, this is origin, perpendicular on the line 1. This is origin, perpendicular to this line P. Line is 1. This is line 1. One line perpendicular from origin, and another line 2 perpendicular from origin. This is Q. Just length of the perpendicular P and Q from the origin to the line, this and this. This. Okay? We have to show that. We have to show that. What? P square plus 4Q square equals to K square. Just we have to show that this. So very simple technique. Nothing, only perpendicular are given. Okay? So just find the value of this perpendicular distance. Distance of this point from here, distance of this point from here. This line are given. Okay, so find the distance, put equals to P and equals to Q. That is in place of P and Q on the left hand side. Just write perpendicular distance. So perpendicular distance P is equals to what? From origin x1 y1 to this, modulus of what? Just equation, right? X in place of x 0 into cos theta minus in place of y 0 sin theta minus k cos 2 theta upon root over coefficient root over cos square theta plus minus sin theta square. Just this is the value of P. Okay, so value of P, this is the value of P minus K cos 2 theta. Here, this. So we can get what? Implies P equals to minus K cos 2 theta. This. And also Q equals to what? Q equals to just like this, perpendicular distance. Q equals to formula what? Sec in place of x 0 into sec theta plus 0 into cosec theta minus K upon modulus of root of what? Sec square theta plus cos square theta. Sec square theta plus cosec square theta. So this is implies Q equals to what? Minus K upon root over this. Sec square theta plus cosec square theta. This. Just put the value of P and Q on the left hand side is this, and just solve trigonometric relation, you can get solution. Clear? Just start from left hand side. Left hand side, what? P square plus 4 into Q square. P square means this square. Modulus of minus K cos 2 theta square. 4 times of modulus of this minus K upon root over sec square theta plus cosec square theta square. This is left hand side, and start solving. Okay, and use trigonometric relation, you can see that you will get K square. Okay, you will get K square. So very simple. What? K square cos square 2 theta plus here 4 of K square upon sec square theta plus cosec square theta. Now solve it. Just solve it. You can get K square. P square plus 4Q square. Just take it 1 by cos, 1 by sin and do it. You can get finally as K square. So this is proved. Okay, this is question 16. Now here 17 question is also there. 17. In triangle ABC, the vertices ABC are given. Find the equation and length of altitude from vertex A. Equation, we have to find the equation and also length of the vertex, of the altitude from vertex A. So here 3 points are given of question 17, just like this. Question 17, triangle is given like this. Now, point are given like this. Suppose this is point A, this is point B, this is point C. Okay, this is A, coordinate given, this is B, coordinate given, this is C, coordinate given, and this is just altitude from this altitude means perpendicular. AD is altitude. AD is altitude. So we have to find its length and its equation. Okay? Now, clear? Now here, altitude means perpendicular to this. Just main thing is what? We have to find the length. Here, points are given. What? Points are given. Just 2, 3, 4 minus 1. A 2, 3, 4 minus 1. And another point is what? 1, 1. These points are given. We have to find this is altitude. Altitude. We have to find the length of AD and equation of this. Altitude means this is perpendicular. And we can find the slope of this line BC. The slope of AD is equals to minus 1 upon slope of BC because they are perpendicular. Since AD is perpendicular to BC. Therefore, slope of AD is equals to minus 1 upon slope of BC. Slope of this is equals to minus 1 upon slope of BC. Slope of AD equals to minus 1 upon slope of BC. So, slope of AD, this. Slope of BC, joining these 2 points, y2 minus 1 upon x2 minus x1. So, minus 1 upon y2 minus y1, 2 minus 1 upon 1 minus 4. So, this is equals to minus 1 upon 3y minus 3. This is minus 1. So, 1. Slope of AD is 1. Here, so slope is 1. So, equation can be found because AD is passing through 2, 3. So, the equation of AD is what? Y minus y1 is 3 equals to slope 1 x minus 2. So, we can solve it. X minus y plus 1 equals to 0. So, equation of AD is what? This. X minus y plus 1 equals to 0. This is equation of equation. Now, perpendicular distance, length of this. For finding length of this, just find the equation of BC and distance of this point from that line. We can find. So, equation of BC, equation of BC is passing through 2 points. So, 2-point formula. Suppose BC passing through this point, so y minus y1 equals to slope, this x1 y1, so 2 minus minus 1, 2 minus minus 1 upon 1 minus 4 and x minus 4. So this is the equation of BC. If we get equation of BC, then we can get distance AD equals to perpendicular distance of AD. So here y plus 1 equals to this 3 upon minus 3 minus 1, x minus 4. So here we get y plus 1 plus x minus 4 equals to 0. So x plus 1 minus 3 equals to 0. X plus y minus 3 equals to 0. Okay, so equation of BC, x plus y minus 3 equals to 0. Now, AD, perpendicular distance AD. Therefore, AD equals to distance of this from this modulus of 1 coefficient. So xy 2 3. 1 into 2 plus 1 into 3 minus 3 upon root over 1 square plus 1 square. So this is equals to 2 3 5 minus 3 2 by root 2. This is equals to distance is what? Root 2 units. So root 2 AD units. Okay, this is 70. Now last question, that is 18. Okay, so this is the distance AD. AD is equals to root 3 units. Now question 18. 18 can be solved. What? 18 is given as P is the length of perpendicular from the origin to the line whose intercepts on the axis are A and B. Show that this. Very simple. Question 18. Okay. The equation of line whose intercepts on x and y axis are A and B is given by x by A plus y by B equals to 1. This is the equation of line. So it can be solved by taking LCM. AB bx plus ay equals to 1. So it can be written like this: bx plus ay minus ab equals to 0. This is line. Now given P is the length of perpendicular from the origin to the line. It is given that small p is perpendicular distance. Perpendicular is length of perpendicular. Length of perpendicular from origin to the line 1. So we get P equals to x in place of x 0 into coefficient 1 plus y 0 into coefficient a minus ab upon root over b square plus a square. This. Okay, now taking square on both sides. Square on both sides. So we can get minus ab upon root a square plus b square. Squaring both sides. Now we can get the required result from here. Just from here we can get like this. P square equals to modulus square a square b square. So equals to a square b square upon a square plus b square. Okay. So reverse, taking inverse on both sides. So 1 by p square equals to a square plus b square by a square b square. Just divide it in both. So 1 by b square plus 1 by a square. So this is our required results. Just we have to show that in this question. Okay. So this is complete. This exercise straight line at 10.3 and also the exercise chapter straight line. And miscellaneous questions are there. Okay. So miscellaneous examples are very important. Just remember it, and miscellaneous exercises are also important. So try to solve all the questions of miscellaneous exercise and examples by using taking the help from other books, also reference book. You can use R.S. Agrawal, R.D. Sharma, etc. I will solve some questions from this miscellaneous exercise in the next class. Just today complete this exercise 10.3 and send me some solution of questions for your attendance. Okay.